Kopelo toatla pele ke thuba ma window ka chip
ra tutsa ra zama re lwana le tlala khwapala ba ska be ba thala di fitile di clever ba swile le spirit ba phumutse trace methala sa rona go zama le suba la doatla mzulu abatli dikhala he palo tlhakana re betha ma China mo tlabe ra thwasa mathata re tlatsana ga tlo re phaphara kudi ya sa to tlhapa ka sthar ba mixitse dono le mafura a twar es bara sema ba re ba fagesa tshelwa ntsukiri senya tibeke te ya matlhar tlala kona mathala munne setsa batlo bulela mathatsa dipopo tlo bona tsena
Speaking for Stan, we never stop, we on the run. Your number one Somonistan Commons Khan. Welcome to another edition of Speaking for Stan with Wiki Demdwa, and I'm so happy and very much excited that today we're shooting our podcast. They got Cliff Cafe. Shout out to Cliff Cafe. And I'm hanging out with these beautiful ladies. Ladies, thank you so much for joining me. And just before I make a proper introduction, Lena Kebona, Hole Matwane Dior, Lena, let introduce guys.
Lina la ke lebohang.
Yes, Lebza.
Molubi. Ke nna Ramaphosa.
Ramaphosa, ona moskrala ne?
Yeah, vaya Makapanstad.
Vaya Makapanstad. And sisters?
Dumelang nna ke Aniki Lamola ko hae ke ko Mogogelo but ke nna social nguve
Ngwana go Googleas, small gian. All right. So today we're talking about something very interesting. It's a very I don't want to use the word touching because you don't like the word touching, but it's something that people should pay attention to. Like I feel like it's something that we've always ignored. Today we're talking about having to deal with a child with disability, not just a child, but anyone handling disability. And from what I've observed, more Pelombaga, is that people are not well equipped. Information ya disability. People still see disability as taboo. People still see disability as buloyi, as something to do with witchcraft. When you have to deal with disability, people think there's some form of a curse in your family. Maybe your gods or ancestors are punishing you for something you've done in the past or your parents have done. You know, people they still attach disability who se be sharp or like spiritual. You know, so you ladies, like as really more podcasting know, what is your relationship with disability?
Ke nahana hore well nna because you know me as a parent.
Yes.
Ya ngwana wa nang le disability.
Okay.
Again, I'm a parent to a daughter who was diagnosed with cerebral palsy after birth.
Yes.
Again, condition ya hae ba kile ke hore o lekile oxygen a lot.
Okay.
Again, so irile ha tswa ha ke pepa hasna ke pepa nasali and then within 5 minutes ke setse ba motsere.
Okay.
And then ke pepile ka bo 3 ka bo 5 ne le hona ko bona ngwana, then ke he ile hona ba mpolella hore ngwana ona le condition e itseng. Again, so ke nahana hore nna le wena today re bolela so because you know hore I'm a parent ya ngwana o, so that's how I'm related this whole thing ya disability conversation ya rena ya ka tsheko.
Okay. And sister Swana, your story?
Lena condition eo e teng ka mahae le nna ke na le ngwana o ileng hore o disabled. Now I only knew ka condition ya hae after I think 4 months. Because nna ke mmona e le ngwana o mo normal, but then ke itse he ke ya ko first appointment ya rena ko clinicing, sister amputisa a re mara ha o bone anything
different
mo ngwaneng ka re no nna ke mmona e le ngwana e sa le o monyane. I thought maybe ho tla ba le changes hentse a gola. A re no nna ke bona something but nka se confirm. E re ko referele ko sepetlele ba yo checkela yena thoroughly ba bona cause he ke pepa a ba bona anything. So are yes ka ebe ke motsa ke re why ba mpepisitseng ba sa bona selo. Are ha re bone ka ho tshwana. As luena or leng motsadi o nnang le yena every day o sa mmone any difference. Maybe le ba le bona ba o pepisitseng a ba bona anything different. So but nna ke mmona hona le something se different mo yena. E ya sepetlele ba yo checkela yena. He ke fitla sepetlele vele ba tseya madi ba checka le ba checkileng di doctor ba re ai a re batlo confirma ntho e re e bonang a re bone ka madi ha boa
Yeah.
he madi a boa after ana le 4 months ke hona ba mpuditseng hore o na le condition ba re ke trisomy 13
Okay.
e leng hore ba re ke Patau syndrome. It's very rare yona ha e tshwane le Down syndrome.
Okay.
Bana ba Down syndrome ba tletse ba teng wa ba bona but wa ka yena it's a very rare condition. So ho buile buimanyana ho accepta ka yona nako eo but ebe ke ipotsa kare e ke mpho yaka.
Yes.
So if nna ke leng mama hae ke sa mo amogele ke expecta bjang hore batho ba bang ba mo amogele.
Yeah.
So hona it's not easy yes hore o tsamaye o he ba mmona batho ba bang ba o filela shame. The reason ya hore ho be le dilo tsa o tshwana le this podcast le di foundations ko hore batho ba itse hore this thing e teng
Yeah.
ya phela e phela le rena.
Yes.
So re tshwanetse rena re le batho re amogele ho tshwana le e tshwana le mkhuhlwane. I
Yeah,
mean
yeah.
ho tshware ke flu obviously wa gotlola o ya sepetlele o clinicing or over the counter wa kry medication.
Yes.
Wa fola but ha e foli ke ntho e re phelang le yona
And ha e fetelane.
and ha e fetelane a se hore he hona nong ke na le ngwana ana le this condition.
Yeah.
If nka ba pregnant hape o atlang a ka ba le that condition.
Yeah.
No ha e bjao.
Yeah.
And re tshwanetse re rutane because he re sa rutane e tlo no nna ntse vele e le taboo. Re tlo no nna ntse re ba fitla
Yeah.
a ra tshwanelo ba
Mara ba teng
fitla
batho ba ileng hore vele bana le ba fitla bana
ba
ba
sa
bona.
le teng
Ke ba bantsi.
ba sa le teng.
Why would you do that? Like, why would you hide your child an disability?
As you said mathomong a curse ke boloi we are cursed ka mahai we are cursed le nna ke le makhi he ke bona wena o na le ngwana sohole yo kamola that
Like
mentality
personally, have you when you heard the news, like as no utlwa story sa hore ngwana hao o na le a disability, did you seek for traditional help? Have you tried it? Like, you know, like they say, you need to try all these avenues. Maybe you just never know which one will get it right.
Okay, na ha ke tswa ko sepetlele ke ntse 10 days ko sepetlele.
Yeah.
And then ha ke fitla hae ko hae ke Masione. Then mama o ntse ka re o ntse matsatsinyana ngwana fetsa khwedi then a ya le nna kerekeng. Then a mo krela ditaelo ke ka mkhorphilang.
Yeah.
Yes, and then a nna ntsa tsa ditaelo. But then nna e rile sna Dr. Matlala a ntlhalosetsa ka condition ya ngwana ne ke sa itse le hore cerebral palsy ke eng ke sa khone lui bitsa sokodisa thata. Yeah, so ke mo rileng yana ka mora ka re fela ngwana o healthy na. That's the question e ke botsitseng doctor ngwana o healthy na. A re no ngwana o sharp bothata fela ke hore ngwana o tlo reach di milestones tsa hae differently from bana ba bang.
Yes.
Ka re okay a ona bothata tseo ke dilo tse leng gore nka se di control. So ne ke thabetse hore ke tswa le ngwana ko sepetlele because of ke nahana hore nako ke le ko sepetlele matsatsi ya ka spendileng ko sepetlele ke bone batsadi ba ba few ba ba tsamaileng without their kids because of bana ba tlhokofetse wa itlhalohanya. So ke bone e le a blessing hore nna finally ke tsamaya le ngwanaka wa itlhalohanya. So re ile route ya kereke a ona route e nngwe e leng hore ke sa le ka itse because ke na ke ipoditse fela hore o itse re keng a ko senya tšhelete ke ntse ke isa ngwana ka mo le ka mo ile hore ko sepetlele ba ntlhaloseditse wa itlhala. What I'm trying to say ke hore ke acceptile ka pele thata hona le motho e leng hore ha accept ka pele a ba tshwane wa sa accepting then o tlo wa try wa leka it's not wrong mara ka tsela e ngwe o luisa tšhelete o dile ya le ngwana wa itlhalohanya. So nna ke yona tsela e leng hore ke itsamaile ne bile ke sa itsamaya le beno ke sa ya ke re ke le ena wa no mohabolo le nna ke ana mohabolo.
Mara, are you hoping or halen wa mohabolo o tlo ba sharp one day?
Not hore I get the expectations.
Okay.
I get the expectations. My daughter can communicate. O kono communicate ka tlhoho, o kono communicate ka matlo. Ka se mo fe borotha batla bohobe.
Okay.
She choose what she wants. O choose diaparo tsa hae. Ke a mo kethisa. O batla para e o batla para e. Right? So
Yeah.
she understands. Bothata ba ngwana ka ke hore ha khone ho tswara ho nna wa itlhalohanya. Yes, but she hears everything. O ya skolong le ka transport 5:30 transport ya mo pick up mo gating e muisa le bana ba sekolo tsena Pitori wa itlhalohanya.
Yeah.
So ke ela ya horeng a kena le di physio. Your question ye ba o botsang hore are you hoping for something ba botsisa hore do you have any expectations from us ka ngwana hao ke no when you are not God wa itlhalohanya. Only God knows hore ngwana o tlo tsamaya ka 20 years or a ka tsamaye na wa itlhalohanya. So a kena di expectations tsa hore ka ngwana o tla bolela he ke ntse ke mo isa ko speech must make sure
Yeah.
hore ngwana ka boshu a re mama or a reng no
Yeah.
wa itlhalohanya. So eo a se decision ya ka or to make nna se ke se lebeletseng fela ke bophikeno le ba fela bophelo ba ngwana ere le hore batho ba ke phelang le bona ba tlhalohanye hore ngwana o ke ngwana o mofeng.
Have you lost friends because of your child's condition? Maybe some people trying to pull back from you, like after realizing that your child has got disability.
a ke motho wa go tlala a ke na dichomi tse dintsi
Yeah.
wa bona. So bao ne ntse ke na le bona he ke gola le byanong ba sa le teng
Okay.
and ba understand.
Yeah.
A ke sa le ne ntse ke se socially anyway.
Yeah.
But le no ba itse gore a ne ke he re ka re mmotsa gore a re ye ko plekeng e so a re e re ke bone pele gore ho etsahala eng he ile hore ke na le motho a ka nsallang le ngwana.
Yeah.
Yes ke tlatla but he ke sna yena a ke na yena ene nka se utlwe botlhoko he le tsamaile lantshi.
Oh.
Dichomi le family di tsamaisa ke wena as a parent. How you treat your child is very important.
Yeah.
If na I'm your friend Luiki and then how thoma ore ish di antsha go kae eng then wena ngwana ha ngwana ha tshwenya ke tlo ravaya. So a o sa bona botlhokwa ba ngwanola le wena as a friend a ke motlhomphi so le wena o ka se motlhomphi wa itlhalwanya. So ke nagana hore yona tsela eo ke yona irang horeng dichomi tsa hao di respect le ngwana hao or di tsamaye ke determine ke yona eo. How you treat your child is very important. It's very le family ya hao ba ileng hore ba ngwana ke lantla re ba le ngwana mo so and then wena le wena mama mona na why modimo ntira so then ba ka se be le ntweo mara the love e we fang ngwana hao le support so se fang ngwana o se ruta batho ba bang o sa le mo.
Ke yona
Yes.
ke ka mkho o rutang batho ba bang hore
Aha.
ba amohele situation e
Yes,
le yena
because we
if
have
ever
accepted.
go ka etsega hore ka mo hae ho be le ngwana o mo beao
Yeah.
a itse
How
hore
we
oh
treat a
ke
child.
bone
Yes.
lebo ke bone a ne ke a
Aha.
treata ngwana hae so hore ngwana o le nna he nka etsa so ho tlo ba easy for nna.
Exactly.
What support should people give to people who are parents to children with disability?
Learn about disability. Learn about it
Understand.
first. We understand it. Ithute yona because disability it's one le soccer as we said earlier on. Ka tseno wa kora ka moso wa o kore. Aina therefore. Wa itlhalwanya. Ka tseno tsama ka maoto a mabedi. Ka moso wa ibile ha o iri accident wa fela. Ho tshinyeha hola fela. So mara wena loto a le sa khona ho hema straight byanong o thomo tsama ka di crashes and stuff.
Yeah.
Right? So support e leng horeng batho ba ka ifa di parents le batho e leng horeng bana ba differently able
Yeah.
ke hore ba itse ka disability ba rutele bana ke rata ruta bana thata because of ngwana a le bale ngwana can correct you o lo moholo mo ena I get so ba rutele bana ka disability and then ba rate ba tlhokomele ke batho they are human they have the same right as you guys wa itlhaloganya and then include them he ke bolela ka include them ke ela ya hore ha o na le party ka mo hae o sa greya le ba tshuletse ba botlhe then ena plate ya hae is staying le mirela a separate dish. No, I batla ka mokho, include them in everything. They need to participate le bona ba tla ka participate na ngwana ka ba participate batho ba shia go school. Like so like intongwe le ngwe batho ba ira go batla ira ha le go sekolong from go crashing. She attended a mainstream crash. So bana ba lehe batho ba irang le ba motse ba moshianisa ba irang ba mozwinkisa ba irang ene o ka se mo fe metsi ba le ba sa nwe metsi. No, so we
at the same time.
So wa ba ruta batho, so ke support e leng gore ra itlhoka from everyone.
And I think it's also necessary, like I always say, hore tsatsi le leng o molomo a ka makala a dila le disability. O ka re o tsamaya no a re fetse shoota podcast ka thula ke koloi or then ka nna le bogole. Then hore if lo re ke paletse go ithuta from people like you or from batho ba ileng hore they deal with it on daily basis, then I'll have challenges. So it's very important that each and every day, all the time, when you have time, you learn about different things because o ka se itse hore ho tla etsahalang ka bophelo bao. If there's people who want to help, what kind of help should they offer?
Rena le auslebo shu
Yeah.
ba create le organization e binang.
Yeah.
Ki joined last year le nna. I didn't know about it. Hore ki itse ka yona. First born ya ka e kreile accident ya thulana le some other guy ba re ke ka nna ke mang Mpho. I think it was Mpho.
Okay.
So hence ke bolela le yena Mpho after that accident ke motlhalosetsa ke motsore e bile ke na le ngwana wa o ke lo bona ile conversation e flange yena ampotsa ka kokwa hae.
Yeah.
Kokwa hae ke ausi Mukhadi. Ausi Mukhadi ke one of the ladies tsa
Go DKek.
Yeah.
That's how I knew ka ausi.
Yes. Yes.
So kore wa bona ho bolela le batho o sa fitli le wena bophelo ba hao gore bo beyang o ba le it's an open channel ya hore o khona o kreya thuso ya mo o leng mo teng.
But have you ever come across a person who was so ashamed of talking about their children, like bao ba itseng maybe?
Yo, so many of them, the parents. Wa bona the parents tsa rona. Yo. I remember nako ngwe ke le ko mmerekong. Ke tshameka le ngwana mongwe wa ke kwa down. Mama he was like, "Ha wa dlala." Ke re ya ka mona wa dlala. Ka mo dladisa. So ke batla ho bua le mama hae pila because I get another, that's how I recruit the parents go molong. Ke ba bona like ke a mo spota ngwana le mo hare ha di chaba because ke nahana hore no ke setse ile ntho irahalang wa bona. So ka mo dladisa a re ya mara mo tlohele ke re chomi nna o itse ngwana ka ha tsamai a bui a khono nna yo ka nnete chomi khona tlhoma o ba ho ba open ke re ya ke re ene bile re na le event very soon re na le event re ntsha bana a re ka nnete tse di phone number tsaka ke tse di phone number tsa hae no a fetile ke event le one.
Yeah.
So ke ba sentse ba le teng ba tse di ba ileng horeng ba sale ashamed wa itlhalohanya but ke no leboha di awareness tsa rena tse mmalwa tse re di dirileng le ba ileng horeng ba fetso pepa ka jeno hona lo ileng horeng tlhalohanyo ha e bulehile hona lo ileng horeng ha ka kra ngwana ka jeno ba re ngwana o diagnosed ka a certain condition o ba grumpy o mong o kwata o mong o irang and then hona lo ileng horeng o itse re no ba o sile bo ba teng kwale go ba joina wa
But why does it seem like ke bo mmefela ba bang so consent and they want to make a difference? But then bontate ba ileng hore they support the cause.
ka re la re tshabela mara
Yo.
le jafatsi
Manola.
le jafatsi mara ba teng
Mashita vele like after in majority, not all of them, but
Yeah, no.
majority of Majita after about their
gone.
child is born with disability, they run.
ya ho na le ba ileng hore ba tsamaisa ke vet ho na le ba ileng horeng ba khaohana ka mabaka a bona maybe wa e tlhalohanya mara ke sa itseng
ha se no a kgaogana ka mabaka a bona ha fetsa a bile ha sa ba teng
ha sa ba teng le mo ngwaneng thata le re shia ka mathata but then ba teng hape
Because
ba
most of the times, I
supportive.
ke bona le events tsa disability, ke bona bo mme le bana, ke bona bo ntate.
ya ba few na nka se re
utlwa ke rena bomme bontate ha ona sepe se le se utlwang botlhoko especially e tla mo tabeng tsa bana.
Wow.
what would you do when
If
if
O fitlhela ke situation eso.
no, you just have to stick around. You have to be supportive. Like you have to walk the journey with the mother and the child. Like walk with them through the journey. I don't think it's necessary for motatabe like.
na mara we didn't lie like kenali a very supportive man yeah very very supportive
So he didn't run.
mo ke tla be ke bua maka
Ne? Power to him. Ne, shout out to him, Joe. And when I was
O teng. O teng.
ene ba teng le ko ntho le ko eventeng bana le otla kra especially bile here ino ba re bontate ke bontate man wa itse rona bo mme re phela re le
Yeah,
wa
le tshwara ko
itlhalohanya
bohaleng.
yeah ba tla le here ile ko bo di KZ mo la kra bantse ba le teng mo la ka dikhula beke tsa bona itse la ba itsheta pila mo ba teng ino ba hore ba tsamaile ba tsamaise ke mabaka a bona
Yeah, re ka se re ba tsamaisitse ke taba re ngwana o
mara
tlhaile
we
disability.
pray like hore bontate e ba re supporte thata ne ke sentse ke bua ka o mong he ke tsena mo like ke mmolella case nyana e nngwe so ka ena so ke nagana hore le ena one day o tla a tlo bua story sa hae either ka awareness ya rena but
But it would be interesting to invite Majita Belungore. They also deal with disabilities, or they also deal with children with disabilities. Ne?
yes
Invite them on their side of the story, being fathers to kids with
Yeah,
disability.
Yeah, that would be great.
E tla bula le tlhaloganyo tsa ba bang.
Yeah.
that would be great
Or those who decided to run away.
Hore
Le bona,
why?
they should give their side of the story.
re utlwa hore why
They
'Cause
understand.
hape rona-
Maybe sometimes we don't understand. Like you need to know
ke bolela
why
e
did you choose to
ntlhatswang le
run.
nna hore di manapo tsamaile
Ba be le nnete, ba bolele hore no, not this thing, according to my religion, if something like this happens, then it means 1, 2, 3. Le bona re utlwe story sa bona.
Not religion per se, but believe.
Yeah.
O believe mo eng wena.
Yeah.
He o ka kreya ngwana o moso like mo wena mo eng se o se naganang. Ba mo loile or eng o kilwa bona.
Yeah. But how does it make you feel when a person a nyenyefatsa ngwana ha o re mmona hore wa motshaba? Maybe o lebeletse from a distance seninyana eo. O bona ngwana motshaba, bana ba bang ha tshwantse hore ba interact le yena, ba tshoha. How does it make you feel?
now itse ho na le di-question tse ding ke palela ko di araba ene ke dumo ka re nka di araba because o itse re keng a di ntirahalle
Okay.
wa e tlhaloganya
Yeah.
ke nagana hore ke bile open
From the word go.
ya
Wow.
aka azanka ka ba le problem ya hore ngwana o tswallelwa kae
Yeah.
ngwana o tlhoka matsatsinyana hore a tswele ko ntle hore ngwana tshwentse batho ba itse ka condition ya ngwana that's why some of the questions a ke na dikarabo tsa tsona pilanyana wa e
Yeah.
tlhaloganya
No, I understand.
so
When azang ngwana le yona experience here.
No le nna azanka ba le yona.
Wow, that's great, man.
Azanka ba le yona.
ene ke nagana hona beanong since re thomile thata especially ka di-awareness but di-parents tse dintsi di tswile It's
Yeah.
like le mo mmolong o kgona go bona more than 5 ka letsatsi
I saw
Wa
that
e
event
tlhaloganya?
you hosted the other time. Hey, it was very successful. There was plenty of people who came to
Mo-
support.
mo kae? Mo Molong?
Mall.
Yeah, yeah,
It was
Kenya
very
in
nice.
November.
The
Yeah,
bikers and all those.
yes
And I was so proud. Like I was like, wow, at least the message is getting there and this stigma is fading away.
yeah so like utlwa botlhoko go utlwa gore go na le o mong ka saita ko hae o teng mara ba motswalletse wa e tlhaloganya then you ask yourself why wa e tlhaloganya?
So how can we intervene if we hear gore ho na le ngwana ba mo kheletseng, they don't want their child to interact with anyone. Like rona as community members, as people, what steps should we take? Ha re utlwetse gore ka mo next door ka mona le ngwana na le disability.
Social
ba mo
workers.
fihlile.
Yeah.
You need to report it to social workers.
'Cause
But
he
a kere
wona
rena re le
o
batho ke ela ya hore taba tsa batho.
Yeah.
Wa itlhalwang re na le yona ntho ya hore taba tsa batho. But then
ngwana on the other
after a
hand,
few days ngwana o tlhokofetse. Wa itlhalwang. So it's a problem
But it's very sad for the fact that ba sa le teng batho ba le ba ilong gore ba fitla bana ba bona.
Yeah, ba sa le teng as much as o nahana hore hona le batho ba sa reng bana ba ke khese eng. Ba sa le teng ba santseng ba fitla.
re tshwanetse go berekisa that thing ya gore ngwana o godisiwa ke setšhaba.
Yeah.
Ke ntho eo yona le he re ka re rena re revolutionized re civilized re eng mara eo yona re tshwanetse re berekise ya gore ngwana o godisa ke setšhaba. Nna ke na le information about ditaba tsa disability and all. Wena ka ntlhela ha ona yona.
Yeah.
Nna ke tshwantseng ke tle ke tlo ruta ke re mara ngwana he a le so re tshwantse re mo ire so mara banong he wena o ntswallela a ho easy le mo nna hape ntse ke na le that information ya hore o ka etsa byang mara he wena o ntswallela nka se khone ho ka ofa that information.
Kotse go tlwetse khale ba rentse ona le batho ba ilong tse bana lo bofa bana ba bona ka diketane mo ditlhareng ba sanya ke ba e go strategic like, and then if lo motho bo file ngwana ka China ka mo jarteng maybe o mo file like pholoholo like o nya ka ska tswa ka gate o no mo fella fela.
That's abuse. And then hona la ba khellang motho a tle mmolong a khelletse ngwana.
A moshila le wana.
Wa itlhalwang.
Le yona ke abuse, it should be reported.
It should be reported.
But your reporter ke mang? Company batla ba o sebela ko site-eng kwa le yo. Hape ka mola hona le ngwana mo so bira so.
Eish. Guys. Wa bona ke yona the part e go botsang gore is emotional.
Yeah, you know it's very sad. Like we put the questions tse baya hore mara ka dwirahala nga itlhalwang. Why batho ba ka ira so? Why motho a ka ira ngwana hae so? Whereas wena o batla a better future for the child. We are now fighting for hore bana ba khono ya dikolong. Wa itlhalwang. Bana ba includiwe ko di crècheng. Wa ibona e ska ba hore ngwana cause ngwana na le a certain condition ngwana o palla go ya crècheng wa itlhalwang nna like I'm very grateful for hore ke khonne ho tseya ngwana ka mo isa le crècheng and then ne ke ntse ke rotloetsa le batsadi ba bang hore isambana and I'm still doing that isambana di crècheng it's your duty as a parent to go to kommewa ko crècheng molelo re I have a child on a certain condition but then ngwana o khono ira so can you accommodate the child now it's your duty as a parent to do that.
What message would you give to batswadi ba ba senang bana ba na le disability? No, it's fine abana ngwana na le disability, but do you think le bona they should be taught about how to deal with children with disabilities so that he bana ba bona they get to interact le bana ba na le disability, they know how to behave?
Yes, it's very important because what I normally do le other parents ke hore re ya ko di crècheng. That's why ke rena ke rata target bana because
le wa jwale sa le
ngwana o ka se mo rutule yona wa itlhalwang wena o tsama mo tsileng le ena o le papa hae ke tsama mola ke pusha a ke ka baki ya hae then e bore ska lebella yo wa tlo ena o tlo correct hey papa mola ho so wa itlhalwang re dlala le ena ra mo dumedisa ke mo keteke
le ena correct or
exactly
something.
wa itlhalwang so le batswadi ba tshwentse ba ithute ka disability then ba re meet halfway ntho e leng hore nna nka ikhopela thata mo batsading ke hore ba ithute ka yona ba rute le bana ba bona ka yona that's the support we need, not the sympathy. We don't need the sympathy wa itlhalwang a re tlhoke pity
Utlwela botlhoko
no a re batla utlwela o sa re utlwela botlhoko o sa nkutlwela botlhoko pity
ora hore le wena he o ka re eso boletse hore o ka re ho tswa mo wa thula ke koloi ba tla re utlwela botlhoko
le nkutlwela botlhoko
why tshwantse re utlwela botlhoko
so It's what le motho a tlang alla. O itse nna ebile kra nako ngo ba re nna ke
a le nya utlwele botlhoko
No, why? Why you sympathize a lot? Because ke na le ngwana mo disabled.
because of the challenges that you go through all the time on day-to-day
No, I need
basis.
support, not pity.
Not pity.
Support me. Be there for nna.
How do I
Heke
support you? I still want to know hore support o tlabe o e nyaka mo nna ke tlabe le bjang nna ke sa tlhaloganye selo.
Motho
So
wa
the
heke
first
ke
thing
tlo-
that I'll do ko oh shame.
No. Treat ho tshwana le motho o mong le o mong.
Yeah.
Eh. He o na le chomi e na le ngwana o mo normal.
Yeah.
O tla mo treat ho tshwana le nna, ke na le ngwana o mo disabled.
Okay.
So it goes back to taba ela ya hore ka mokho o phelang le ngwana hao. Ke ka mokho ileng hore batho ba tlo ithuta hore o phela so. Like you'd
So
be
a
surprised
wenya ke
like
ntho ya hore o kopana le batho tsa malengwana hao. Wow, shame.
shame ya eng?
Shame
Ro
batho.
kwatelana like ro kwatelana.
Seriously.
Ha o sympathize le nna.
Ha wa shame.
And ha o rekele ngwana ka anything out of pity. No. He ke tsama se se ra hore ke like ke ela ya hore ha o fitla jo ke mo reketse ke o rekela stock no. When you do it e reka le rato le horeng o batla ho ira e seng because aki ha khono emella mo stilong o mo bribe ka ice cream no a ja ice cream bana ba bang ba shiana mo shianise. That's the support I need from you. Now it's tlhako botse ash ha ke ile di eventing a ke montsi aki that's the support e ke kry-ang from bona.
Are we ring-
Ha ke motshware total.
Ha monyaki.
Ha nnyake, lo nnyaka.
Ha monyaki.
And then ke yona support e leng horeng ke yona e ke tlhoka e seng ela ya hore o tshwentse o tlo re shame itse mara o menwana ha e felletse ke me 5 neto mo wano ko behi
Ake thabe le ho bolela hore o ka ona le multiple.
Yeah.
Multiple ha tsamaye ha bolele partially o utlwa partially ha bone. So like ake ke reng ha ke ashamed.
Yeah.
No, I'm not ashamed for kangwana.
So ke ska fitla ka re oh shame.
Shame ya eng? O le nna ka
a
mo
ko rata dilo tseo tsona
ke khona mme a mola ke motloele ke mona hore yena o nyaka attention ke tamae ke ya kwa ke motlohela ona mo like a ke mo treat yes yena compared to ba bang ke le mara a ke mo treat in that way ke le la ka yes mara o tshwana le bana ba bang ne ke wishitse vele hore le nna a ye to a mainstream daycare but because of the multiple disabilities tsa gae ha ba difficult nyana for bona hore ba ka mo cater so but at least now ke relieved because ke mo create a center mo aka yang mo teng mo ileng hore hona le bana ba disabled le bona.
Yeah. Talking about centers. Hona le batswadi ba bang ba ileng hore ba fila hore hore ba bane le peace. Tshwantse hore ba shie bana ba bona ko di centeng gore that's where they can be able to cope le bona ba tswela pele ka bophelo ba bona. They wouldn't care, like they wouldn't mind even paying. It doesn't matter how much they have to pay or ngwana nne ko centeng. As long as staying mo haufi le yena. What would you say to such people? Mara isn't it a good thing or onna le batho ba ba rileng ba ba tshwanang le yena?
wa itse kgang ya di-center
Yeah.
ke eng especially tse e leng gore bana ba robala ko teng
Yes.
batsadi a ke re tlhoka go bereka le rona it's true motsadi a ka nna isa ngwana kwa and then a o bereka but then re kry di day off re kry di leafy o kgona tseya weekend off go there and check the child but we have parents ba ileng horeng I have been to centers about 3 mo ileng horeng ba re ngwana o na le ngwaga a sa bone motsadi ya hae mara tšhelete ya fitla wa e tlhaloganya
Yeah.
so it's a problem wa e bona so ntho engwe e leng gore nako ngwe o ka feleletsa o e wisha ke gore o ka re di-center di ka ira ntho e one ya gore go nne le di-center but e se ka ba
Ka
tsa gore
weekend.
ngwana o robala
Or
or he
at
le gore ka
least-
weekend go be
ka weekend
compulsory
a di
gore
bereke
motsadi
Friday e
lapeng
tla o
ngwana.
tseye ngwana gago
wa e tlhaloganya because motho o ka se mo gapeletse selo wa e tlhaloganya ke ka mokgwa a boneng gore ke problem
e boima e tlo mo imela
E
bophelo
re
ba
ke ise
gae
kwale, wa e tlhaloganya.
bo tlo ba
But then
easy he
it's
ngwana a
very
se teng mo
wrong.
gaufi
it's very wrong ho neglecta ngwana
What
ngwana
if,
ke
what
mpho
if a khone ho cope le ngwana hae, like a khone le character hae a khone, she's too sensitive or he's too sensitive
o buile le mang
to understand ngwana o, so o feel gore batho ba ba trained ba ba na le maikarabelo le or
mara le
experience.
wena as
Problem.
motswadi
Yeah.
ke responsibility ya gago gore o itse ka ngwana gago ke responsibility ya gago a kere o itse ka bophelo ba gago le wena wa itse gore ka tse ko Cliff Cafe ba di dumisa
Yeah.
o kae ba di dumisa wa o sa zame go itse ka ngwana gago
and bona ba
Ke ngwana
ikgatha
hao.
social life bona bana ba rara ashem ba e repeatla so tsela tsa gore o tlo attenda every event doesn't work maybe that's why maybe that's the other reason ba ba isa ko di-centering wa e tlhaloganya but then yes we have those ba e leng goreng ba tlhoko ya mmereko mara ntho e ke buang ka yona ke goreng e yang lo ba checkang
Yes.
e yang lo ba
iphe
checkang
nako.
o check gore ngwana wa trainiwa na
E ba
ngwana
tshwarele ke stress sa gore dikolo di a tswalla tshwantse gore ba boe hae.
Yei.
ahe wa e tlhaloganya
Then if ho na le if wa kgonahala gore a patele mo for ngwana nne ko le ka
A nne ona
December
ko-
a
a ka
patele.
patela.
wa e tlhaloganya so ke tsona dilo tsa go tshwana le tseo rona
Because
go
le
le-
batho ba bang ba na le bana ba disability but we don't even know, not that they are hiding there but ba ba beile ko di-centeng.
ene le ka yona December eo he ho etsahetse gore a boe o ka se mmone le ngwana ka mogae o nna still mateng yena o ko strateng gore papa teng batswadi ba nna ko strateng mara ngwana o nna ka mogae
so it's a problem yo e yona ke problem e kgolo and then nna a ke bone gore nka dumella gore ngwana a nne ko ke nne ko le ena a ke nagane gore o tla dumela tsona tseo
Yes.
tsa gore a yo robala kwa wa e tlhaloganya so ke eo ya gore pila batswadi tshwanetse ba iphe nako motho a ire introspection a itse gore modimo mphile ngwana o mo so and then ke ka mokgwa o re o berekang so bophelo ba change
from
o
here
ile for 9 months yo otlhe a o expect gore wena
O
o
tla
tlo kry-a
bua le
ngwana ba
ngwana o
re
mo disabled.
ngwana o diagnose ka cerebral palsy or ka down syndrome or ka trisomy 13 no you don't expect that o na le di-plans tsa gore ke nyako mo isa kae na re no tsenelela le dimami and mini raya a re nyako itse gore ba re ke bomang kae kapa kae ra patela raya ba dira raya re ya le bona because if we say include them if you don't call me I'll include myself le ena then o tlo tlwaela gore go na le bana ba ba so wa e tlhaloganya so o ithuta tsona dilo tsa go tshwana le tseo gore ke na le ngwana o moso se se ra gore he le gore ne ke le motho a papaipai the social
Papaisa
life
le
ela
ena.
ya kgathega then o kry-a dilo tse e leng gore di accommodate le ngwana then if ke di-picnic tsa go tshwana le tsona bo di-mummy and mini you go there wa e tlhaloganya then o na le nako eo ya gore o itse gore ke you need yourself le wena o tlhoka that time
nakonyana
to
eo
yourself wa e tlhaloganya I was so grateful last week mama o tlile ko hae ko nna mo ke nnang mo
Yeah.
a fitlha a nthusa a koloma ka jarata a re mme ke emela tšonana then ha a fitlha fela ra mo tsaya ra mo isa hae le ena then weekend I was alone like ne ke feela ntho ela re itse gore keng I needed this ke sa tsa a ore go ke tlhagang ne ke le ko ntlong ke ntse ke sa tshuma TV ke sa ira selo ke le
Wa o sa reka
nna.
nwana wa relaxa nyana.
no like ne ke le sharp wa
Ya o
tlala-
reka nwana wa re itse ke ka jeno ke na kwa
And e se
nwana.
ntho ela ya gore ngwana wa ntapisa or bja nna bjana ngwana ga ke problem
Yeah.
wa e tlhaloganya mara e se eo ya gore o nta mara ke ne ke tlhoka that time to myself
The
You
me
need
time.
that. Yes,
nakonyana eo nje
Wa e tlhaloganya.
2 hours nyana
they are very challenging bona yes I agree they are very challenging but e seng ela ya gore because they are challenging wena o tshwanetse o tle ore mara a kenya ke sympathy Eo
mara
yona-
ke feel ka re di ne tlhoka strength se serious, emotional
Yeah.
strength se
emotional
So, o tlhakane le tsona tse-
o gymile
beno wa gym ke wa gym o itse re o fitla hae itua ka senya go mmona a tsholwa dikeleng nna bana nna ngwana ka ke le set walla
yeah.
o mpona ka pele ha ke thoma ka re he ke kwatile
ke yena
Wa
filang
strength.
o ba
a ka tshwana like le he nka tlha mojolo nyisitse ka mokgwa o ka kgonang ka teng
Yeah.
he ke fitla hae I must make sure hore I put a smile on my face so that I can accommodate the child.
So
Because-
she can see if
she
you are
can
sad.
sense.
Yo
They can sense ho tshwana
Yes.
le ho tshwana le yena he ha e le hore wa lwala yena a lwala wena ho ka ba down wa affect ha le yena nako yela na tshwantsa e tseye hore a fole e ka feta
so you always have to be strong.
Do you think o tla bo sana le sona strength le nako a bang an adult? And there'll be a point you wish are ka nako e henkebe a se so.
khona se
Yeah, nkebe no
Ho
a
fokotseha something.
Yeah, ho fokotseha something. Nkebe a date, nkebe a irang.
Yeah, wa itse maloba a botse o burina 10 a 40 o na le cerebral palsy. So ke itse o tsa hore he ngwana a thoma a nna are you go to such people and then you ask for advice.
hore
How
yena o
did you
fitile
do it?
bjang mo
Wa e tlhalohanya. You have to be brave and then o ye go bona o botsise research. Wa e tlhalohanya. O lwena o be equipped ka information hore hey fitla stage se so se sera hore ho ba so. Wa e tlhalohanya. And then as much as ba ruta ba the shona people na go ba tlidemo ne ba re bolella ka hore ha fitla 12 years or ha fitla stage sa o tlhatswa di bjana tsa mo tlhatswa di bjana yeah go like ka hona ka mokho wa tlwaela ngwana wa itse wa tlwaela ngwana le ha ka tlhwa a sa itse selo mara wa itse like
ntho e so ya
wa
iriwa
itse.
wa
Wa
kolmakiwa ha tlhatswiwa ha tlhapiwa wa phuthiwa tshwantse ho be clean mo ha o fetsa o tshamka ka di-toy tsa hao tshwantse di phuthiwe di ye ko di nnang ko teng
So how ka kry someone who's willing to pay for the fees tsa ngwana hore a yo nna ko a special school ko kae you would not take
It don't
the
work for
offer?
me
nna le he nka rata nna my daughter ka se dumele ke hopola ha yo thoma tsena se ke motse ke re e tjuna hapo a o sa tsena crèche bano o ya sekolo and then o tlo ya kwa ro lata freita thoma kwa te bano
And then go sekolong ba ruta eng?
hona le di physio hona le di speech hona le di toy tsa bona tse ba stimulateang ka tsona wa e tlhalohanya and then hona le ba ileng horeng ba tsama ka di grade ebe ba fihle ko matric wa e tlhalohanya a ke re bjanong a ba
se iriwang ko
ehe,
sekolong mara bona on a different level ho ya le ka tlhalohanyo tsa bona
ehe. Ba ba assessa before ba itse hore wena ro assessitse o tshwanna ke class e so wa e tlhalohanya wena o tshwanna ke class e so okay wena hona bjanong o sharp o kaya ko di classeng tse so wa e tlhalohanya ba ba categorize ditse tsona
And ba ruta ka sky kwa?
Eskowa. English. Last year re mo isa ka motsa ke rola ta Sontaga. Ke re Sunday ya ra. So yeah, like ba ithuta, o itse re ke. Yeah, and then ba tla go bolela, o itse ngwana o nyaka lerato le support. O itse batho ba batla wa bana dilo tse pedi tseo. O ba fence. Na ke ho nka moshi ene ba ka muntswa. Like kela ya hore ho montsha lerato montsha dilo tsotlhe tse
Eh.
awa bana ba rata tsona tseo ene bana le show off wena o itse mpho ebile you know
Yeah,
o
yeah,
itse pila
yeah,
mpho
yeah.
so ke nagana dilo tse dintšhi tse re di tlhalositseng tse o mo itse pila
No,
a
mpho e sa
ipefatshe
brafang me. Yeah, e sa
a itse
brafang
a
me.
ipe next a ipefatshe
And then funny enough, ke maketse ke khona ho mo utlwa mpha bolela. I can communicate with him. I can hear him.
yeah because you want to because you want to.
le phisahalelo
Hey,
he o na le phisahalelo ya ho nyaka ho itse selo o tlo se itse
so if o sa batle mutlo ka se mutlo, if ke o shiele akimo ha o sa nya ko motlhaloganyo gore a reng,
O ka se
then o ka se motlhaloganyo mara he nkare ke boa re ka boshomo se hape, then you are keen o batla o utlwa o bona o batla o tlhaloganya.
ka yena.
Oh, this is very educational. And then, in closing, what message would you pass to everyone who's watching this thing?
Support re boletse ka sona, o itse support na re phela re bolela ka sona.
Yeah.
Are counseling sympathy, ra cancela sympathy.
Sympathy.
Yeah, PT are counseling.
Awunyeke shame. I have a friend, like, Hagare, but sometimes ke sale ka lemoha something, or at some point he would use it to his advantage, knowing that batho ba mo filela. Ho na le nako nngwe o tlo mmona o e berekisa to his
Me
advantage.
too.
Then wa bona hore shame ya bereka.
Ha ke nyaka nna. E sa ntirela shame. Se ka mphidisa ka shame. Ha ke batle shame. Mara he ke batla imperekele. He ho tlhokahala hore e bereke. E o bereka. Le wheelchair. He ke tlhoka hore imperekele. E o bereka and then ha ona ntho tlo irang. Ke ka mkho ba irang wa itlhora. Ene hona le batho ba ileng horeng awa ke motsa wheele. Nna ke disabled. I'm differently abled ke yakwa.
Mara ba teng batho ba nang le disability ebile ba e berekisa to their advantage all the time ebile ba enjoy a shame.
Yes.
Yeah, and then wait working because it's not me. Nka se re ba wrong. Ke ka mkho ba khethileng ho phela ka teng wa itlhalwang.
Yeah.
But nna a ke batlo palla go tsena ka mo spe. Wa itlhalwang. Ka boshiu ke re ke re table for two. Ebe we care yo.
Ashu.
Tla ba re pampers. Wa itlhalwang. So if ke ra donations ya di pampers, it's for the organization, it's for the event.
Yeah.
It's not for me. Wa itlhalwang. If kira anything regarding the donations, it's for the upcoming event e leng horeng ke busy ka yona ra plana.
Yeah.
Wa itlhalwang ha ke benefit ke noshi mo. Wa itlhalwang. So that ka moso a ke batla utlwa ka o kra byanong ke palla le go tsentsha dinala.
Yeah, but to bar le ja channel that donation.
Yeah, or yeah, re mo iretse so batho ba bua and not hore ke tshaba hore batho ba bua, but then we are trying ho hafola the sympathy wa itlhalwang ho hafola hore batho ba irella bana ba disability wa
Yeah.
itlhalwang wena as a person o ka nna wa tsoga ka boshuru it's okay I want to give back to the community, let me do this for certain people, it's not a problem wa itlhalwang mara ke hana ela ya hore rena re le di parents re thome re a ke re la itse re a ke ya para pampers so pampers ne tshwentse ya para ke ngwana mang
Yeah.
wa itlhalwang ne tshwentse ya para ke ngwana mang pampers ke mangwe ne tshwentse a ire a reke di pampers if not you
Yeah.
wa itlhalwang because ke teng to ya hore okay e ke mo modimo mphile mo teng
Yeah.
di maka sofi moralo o tlo pallang.
Yeah,
Wa
because
itlhalwang.
marona yes, so it's how bolela sona
There are channels tse
Ona le
leng
batho ba
hore-
bang vele ba e berekisa and then ba berekisa shame for benefit like you know
No,
I
you
got a
can't do
call maybe
that.
from a parental disability and kopela something ono mpotsa I'm feeling so guilty to do why it's working na ngwana mo beyang a kena selo whatever wa kra ile re byanong tshwanzo a benefit ka this thing
Ka hore a
hore
ke na
ngwana ha o na le,
selo ngwana o
disability.
disabled.
Yeah, now bana people ba
Then
leng
ba
around
phela ba nyaka di charity di tle di ba fene somar ba phula ba phuta ba nyaka le mabupi ba nyaka le tse di sa tsamaisane le taba ngwana.
yeah wa bana he lore ke mabupi ke dilo mamang ke
Yeah.
dilo mamang wiki o create sponsorship kai
Yeah.
it's okay ro di tseya ra difa each and every parent
Yeah.
not for nna hore ke benefit ke noshi wa itlhalwa
Yeah.
no we don't want that and then that's how you teach people to treat you wa itlhalwa that's why bare o ruta batho hore ba phele le wena byang wa itlhalwa not hore he ke tla ko wena ke re ish hape ke shotile 500 undime because ke rila ke batla a tsewa se sympathy ke nna le potla tsaka mo
Yeah.
wa itlhalwa
Yeah.
and then hona le ela ya hore ish ha ke re wa itse re ngwana ka disability hape ha tsholle there are channels tse leng hore o ka ya ko bo di clinicing and then wa kra di pampers every month
Yeah.
wa itlhaloganya di teng di channel tseo that's he rila di awareness we call people ba ileng hore
Go di
ba
clinic,
relevant
ba
ba
di
tlo le botsa hore
department.
le tsama byang ka channel eo le di kreya byang nna ke kreya di pampers every month wa itlhaloganya but then ke di medium
Yeah.
nka se di hani wa itlhaloganya nka se di hane ke di fa batho ba ileng hore
Ba di
di a ba
tlhoka.
lekana
Oh.
wa itlhaloganya
Yes.
yes because of and ka boshiu ho thoma o ira so e ba o kare hey o like favorite how favorite na I advocate for my child I advocate for every parent o nang le ngwana wa disability
Yeah.
wa itlhaloganya hore ka boshiu batho ba re bone pila wa itlhaloganya gona banong ka Mami and Minnie o re invite ile Lerato
Yeah.
hore come and celebrate with us itlang le bana ba lona are ausleb o ra hore ke hafole ke re bana ba disability ba patela 100 ranta ke re ke eng eo bjano mokadile ka re no you don't do that sis ke event ya hao e bereke ka mokhotsentse e bereke ka teng re tlo patela di 170 like each and everyone I get re
Yeah.
include us
Yeah.
then you included us mo aware ke Mami and Minnie
Yeah.
then I go with my minis
so
Then right.
he le gore o na le price ya bana a e be ile gore bana bo botlhe
Ba patela
same
a
price.
wa itlhaloganya?
E seng gore ka
Yes.
nne nna wa ka o disable is price ya hao ke 50 ranta then wa ka tswantsa patela 25 or a
So,
ska
o
patela
phela o
add-on.
mpona-
no
o
o
tlo phela o mpona gona ka mokgwa wa itlhaloganya ha re batle dilo
it's free
tseo
for nna because ke na le ngwana o mo disabled
palesa o re iretse a very beautiful barking flower arrangement mo ka a specific price e patela ke everyone o nna ileng hore na le teng mo
Exactly.
wa itlhaloganya so a re batle ela ya hore excluding a re batle dilo tseo re batla dilo tse
he re include ra gore le rena re includeng
if I
gona
don't
moo.
afford e tshwana le he ke sa afford 6 ya corona
Yeah.
wa itlhaloganya
Yeah.
so a ke enwe
Yeah.
so a ke tle eventeng
And then it
Fela-
goes.
Yeah.
Tshwantse re o ye o ntse o sa afford
Hey.
because wena o nyaka go ba charity case.
Exactly re zama ho fokotsa yona taba eo ya gore batho re be di-charity case ka
So
baka la
in
gore re na le
closing,
bana ba
you want people to treat you normal, treat your kids normal
Thank
as kids, as
you.
human beings, not
because
as
yo in closing e tlo ba etelle thata
Re tswaletse.
yeah
Ana
ga ba re
tshwanela
treat
batho
pele
ba
and then
batle
tlhako ge o na le ela ya
taba tsa
hore
dikolo.
ba re keng disabled people
Yeah.
wa itse ka mokgwa re bitsang batho ba rena le ka mokgwa re a ke itse ke reng ho na le di-person first language ho na le dilo mamang ke ela ya hore disabled people ke nagana we need to correct eo mpone pele before my condition
Yes.
mpone as a child before you see my condition wa itlhaloganya e ska ba hore ke ole wa cerebral palsy wa itlhaloganya haibe
Ke ngwana.
mpone as
Bona
ngwana
ngwana
before o bona condition yaka
Yeah.
and then if o ka khona eo wa bona nna pele before e tshwana le bona motho wa asthma or wa eng bona yena pele before condition ya le mo yona then you will know hore o tlo treata bjang and o tlo khona ho bona le hore motho o able to do what mara ho ka bona condition ya ka pele already o feditse ka nna a ke re o bona wheelchair
Yeah.
a ola ka se khone ra ha bolo ola kanta o itse re ho ka ilatlhela mo menwaneng yaka nka iteka
Yes.
wa itlhaloganya ke yona eo fela kore le yona eo ke a ikgopela fela gore batho tshwanetse ba ithute go bona batho pele before di-condition tsa bona then ke nagana gore re tlo tsamaisana tsele one ba re supporte
the other thing e nna ke bonang o ka re na le challenge hape ya yona ke taba ya dikolo
Dikolo ya.
ya dikolo ho boima for hore re kreye dikolo for bana ba rena le tsona tse let's say di-daycare tse di leng teng mo mahaeng a ba lekeng le bona hore ba include bana ba rena ba include like ho boima ho bolela nnete when coming to education part for bana ba rena it's not easy at all so we are pledging for that government e re bone le rena le rena e re bone a re batle dilo tse dintšhi fela nje e re bone
bana ba kgono ya
Bana ba
sekolong
kgono
ba
ya
boe
sekolong.
e sengela gore ka gore wena o na le condition e itseng o tlo robala kwa le nna wa ka ke nyako mmona everyday
well ke choice ya rena batswadi but a di be teng dikolo for bana ba rena.
I'm no longer touched. I'm educated.
No, I'm
educated. I'm
for
educated.
the opportunity.
Yeah, I'm so hoping ore didn't lo tsensa perspective ya batho, especially that part ya ore le ska ba filela shame wa kraba no motle a lenya ke le motho mmonoro aka khona o topa selo no re ke motopele o mmonoro aka khona irang re ke mirele ebele ena feletsa batho dependent e bila e berekisa to his advantage.
Yeah, they are so manipulative.
Yeah,
they are so manipulative. Akinya ko bolela maka.
But it's not only bona fela batho ba bane ba ha ba bona opportunity ba e berekisa.
A utlo go ra ke be mo re bua ka bona. So a utlo ke re he ba ka le mo ha hore o ke softy nna ke tse ke di bonang ora
Yeah.
Wa bona nna the time ke tlo find out ka ngwana ka ne ke le on maternity leave ka ya le yena ko mmerekong kilo ho extender leave yaka at least by a month or two. Manager wa ka o disabled le yena o tsa o nna mo wheelchair matsogo a ha ya bere ko na le muscular dystrophy, something like that.
Yeah.
Wa itse lefoko la mpuditseng lona are it takes a special mom ho ba le ngwana o mo special.
Yeah.
Mantswe ao a santana a sa ringa mo tlhogong ya ka bona.
Yeah.
Ke bile special hore modimo a mphe ngwana o. So that's all. No matter who boima ho byang. Wa namella wa fulohela ho etsa eng. Aniki o tlo no nna ntse a motshwere so ngwana o. Cause hanga be na mo file someone else. No ho tlo ba boima for yena.
Yeah.
Modimo o itse di struggles tsa rena. And le he a eda whatever says edang on top. O eda a itse hore ke tlo mo rwala. Ke tlo mo
Marwana ba
rwadisa.
botsisa ya hore have you seek for traditional intervention?
rata ditao.
Ne ke sa le ka mo gae.
Yeah.
And ne ke sa le ka mo gae well di tlhaloganyo tseo di bile teng.
Okay.
Wa bona di bile teng and re tsena kereke. So nna tlhaloganyo ya ka ne ile mo tabeng ya hore ke file ke modimo ke tlo e tsamaisa ka tsela ya modimo. Even le byanong.
Okay.
Le byanong
a se sharp
ikile ya ba teng tlhaloganyo eo wa bona yona ikile ya ba teng but then ka re modimo o mphile se so ke tlo se tlisa go wena ke wena o tlo nthusang ho se rwala ke se tsamaise mo tseleng e wena o mpatlileng mo yona.
All right. Thank you girls.
Hello.
All the best. And then have a pleasure support or maybe banyako donate maybe anything ba feel or they need to contribute something to your movement. What can they do?
Ba kan ke ba fe di phone number ni?
Yeah.
060
623
43
45.
Yeah. Or ba kana ba founela is tsa di sa ke ditsi ka tlhoer ke di check.
Okay.
Oh, and renale an event happen ka di
29.
Is it 23?
Hey, the 29.
And I thought 23 so much.
Okay.
No, yeah,
cerebral palsy Down syndrome awareness ka di 29. Ba re tla be re na le tuksinganga. Yeah. So yeah. So yeah, ke di 29 tsa March ko KZ Lodge.
All right, thank you girls.
Re karata hore ba tle ba beteng for support whether una le ngwana o mo disabled ha ona yena just come o tlo ithuta o ka tswela community ya hao mosola somehow.
Yeah re tlo swagala
le tle
re tlo swagala
o tle le radio ya hao to broadcast.
Thank you girls.
Kopelo toatla pele ke roba monyako ka kiki. Kopelo toatla Kopelo toatla pele ke tuba ma window ka chip. Kopelo toatla. Kopelo toatla. Kopelo toatla pele ke roba monyako ka kick. Kopelo toatla. Kopelo toatla. Kopelo toatla pele ke tuba ma window ka chip. Kopelo toatla. Utwa khale ke repa mara bare ke style sa khale sa repe kampe ka joina tsenyane tsa creature suruma soul ke gaya devil ya zama mathaisa khana ka 11 tabera satar so bone deben mudimo mpethele popo 7 khulumenta bulele tender zaka social yo tsena December itlore November tabe ke jang tabe ka skima tsa spina ka gun mosadi wa stress umudi uban umpatla dilo ke sena le plan u crave yogurt ka matsa ka 1 henka pala ko tlhakantsha shabo ko kwatisa mabo it's over I'm done unsupetsa pan fisho le dololo nama there's none mafura voro sashaba otswan kapela thokolo my day will come when money will follow me leading a man kholo di tsena di banka di ndwela le joke tsa vora ba khono di tseha re tshega re tsena ka banka sana kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke roba monyako ka kick kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke tuba ma window ka chip kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke roba monyako ka kick kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke tuba ma window ka chip ratutsa razama re lwana le tlala khwapala ba ska be bathala di fitile di clever ba swile le spirit ba phumutse trace methala sa rona go zama le suba la doatla mzulo abathi dikhala he palo tlhakana re betha ma China mo tlabera thwasa mathata re tlatsana ga o re phaphara kudi ya sa to tlhapa ka sthar ba mixitse dono le mafura a twar es bara sema ba re ba fagesa tshelwa ntsukiri senya tibeke te ya matlhar tlala kona mathala munne setsa batlo bulela mathatsa di popo tlo bona tsena ga yo bone msadi a betha smile bana ba fure di chomi ba re papa ona mine e ba khame jela sebo makhelwane ba re ke nonisa ke crime ene ha ona ntho le vumile close jeso ntseletse wine kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke roba monyako ka kick kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke tuba ma window ka chip kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke roba monyako ka kick kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke tuba ma window ka chip kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke roba monyako ka kick kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke tuba ma window ka chip kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke roba monyako ka kick kopelo toatla kopelo toatla kopelo toatla pele ke tuba ma window ka chip